Hi guys, so today Ms. Veeta here. So today I am going to start up with the new English words which you can use in your day-to-day life. So from today you can use these words by telling to your mother also and father, and to your colleagues or friends you can also tell. Okay, so before starting up we should start with a first thought. Okay, and that is, first thought of the day is our, when you talk you are only repeating what you already know, but if you listen you may learn something new. By this thought we understood that when you talk, जब भी हम बातें करते हैं तो हम सिर्फ उस वर्ड को रिपीट करते हैं और वो चीज़ हमें पता होती है, लेकिन जब हम उस चीज़ को सुनते हैं तब हमें कुछ नया पता चलता है ना. तो यू शुड राइट दिस थॉट बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी वेल नोन थॉट. ओके, like slow hair, a word, what do you mean by the words of English? And a word is a speech sounds or its representation in writing that symbolizes and communicates a meaning. Like word is a speech sound. Word क्या होता है? It is a speech sound and representation in writing. It represents the, when we write a word, it represents something and symbolize and communicate a meaning. Yeah, and may consist of a single morphemes. When we write a single word, that word is known to be a English word. In English, when we write a single word, yeah, single morphemes. So the branch of linguistics that studies word structures is called as what? Morphology. So morphology is word here is what? So the morphology is the study of linguistic studies word structures, which is known as the morphology. Okay, then first word is our endeavor. So endeavor, the pronunciation is written in the bracket in yellow part. Okay, so endeavor here means to try hard, struggle, effort, enterprise, will, venture, attempt, bash, whack, undertaking, trial and error, striving, hump, sweat, toil, tug, hustle, band away and strive. Okay, so you can repeat this video if you want to listen the pronunciation of these all words, and these all words are the synonyms of endeavor. Okay, so examples of endeavor are, perhaps we should endeavor to approach our problems together. So instead of endeavor you can also write what? Perhaps we should try again, or toil, or sweat. You can write these words, yeah, to approach our problem together. In an endeavor, ensure your privacy, you'll meet your requirements. Okay, so here in an, what you can write? Toil, also venture, whirl. Okay, then third our example is, we will also endeavor to get the winning film screened on television. He used every endeavor possible to dissuade them from entering. Okay, then next is our word illuminate. Here it is written the pronunciation in blue box, that is to shine light on something, to decorate with something with lights. Where, as you know, we decorate our house with lights on which festival? Diwali, yeah. And illuminate synonyms are to explain something or to make something clear: brighten, spotlight, illumine, flash, fire, irradiate, highlight, ignite, throw light on, ornament, embellish, adorn, illustrate, enhance, transform and make brighter. So these all are the words of illuminate. Okay, the next is our, these are the examples of illuminate, that is, the history of truck legislation is illuminating for two reasons. Okay, history of truck is illuminating for two reasons, and on its own right this expression is not very illuminating. And third is our example. Again, the analogy with legal theory is illuminating. If the target level is attained, the lamp is turned off, and otherwise the lamp is illuminated. Okay. Now next is our Wuther. Here in yellow box its pronunciation is written Wuther. Wuther. Okay. To blow with a dull roaring sound, or to make a rushing sound, to whiz or to shake vigorously. Okay. So example of Wuther are: the scattered farmhouses hunker into the hillsides as if sheltering from the constant wuthering of the wind. Wuthering means roaring sound of the winds in the first example. Okay, and it was pouring down in torrents, and the wind was wuthering round the corners and in the chimneys of the huge old house. Okay, and then third is our: it was a wet wuthering day. Okay, then next is our fine and dandy. Fine and dandy. Okay, so the meaning here is excellent, used for someone's health, pleasant, heartwarming, amiable, attractive, thrilling, then perfect and delightful and joyous, marvelous, convivial, likable, divine, jolly, congenial, delectable. Okay, fine and dandy. Instead of fine and dandy, also we can use these synonyms of these. Okay, and then fine and dandy examples. So Ted told the doctor he was feeling fine and dandy. Fine and dandy. Okay, instead of this we can write excellent also. On Thanksgiving, we also pretend everything is fine and dandy, even though we are still fighting every other day. Okay, then third is our: when someone asks you that how is your grandfather, because he is ill, that's why he is asking it. So then you will reply that he'll be fine and dandy. Okay, then our dawn to dusk. What do you mean by dawn to dusk? It's the night time, and before from a rise to a sun to the setting of the sun. जब सन राइज होता है तब से लेकर जब सन सेट होता है तब तक का समय. ठीक है, दैट इज मिडनाइट, ग्लूम, इवनिंग, डार्कनेस, नाइट टाइम, डार्क, blackness, twilight, dim, bedtime, obscurity, witching hour, black, after dark, after hours, before dawn, dead of night, night tide, and pitch dark and vesper. Okay, so these all are the synonyms of dawn to dusk. Yeah, and next is a dawn to dusk example. So dawn to dusk example is: construction is now cranking from dawn to dusk 7 days a week, and from dawn to dusk believers drink no water and eat no food. Next is the public is allowed to access the shore daily from dawn to dusk. Okay, next word is our merriment. Merriment. Okay, so here the meaning of merriment is fun, joy, hilarity, levity, picnic, revel, sport, indulgence, laughs, joviality, mirth, frolic, enjoyment, liveliness, buffoonery, brawl, conviviality, and merrymaking. Okay, so examples of merriment are: first example is: they broke free of the house into the dark night on a side of the house, far from the light and merriment of the party. and the proceedings were characterized by excessive merriment and licentiousness. My brother's eyes sparkled with merriment when I gifted him a new remote control car. Okay. Okay guys, so please like and share my channel. So bye and thanks for watching my video.